Welcome to Shakes021 Gaming. If you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming content.
Perfect!
Starting off, we have the Asus ROG Strix GTX 1070 8GB overclock edition with a 3-fan cooling system. This GPU supports GDDR5 with 1920 CUDA core, PCI Express 3.0, OpenGL 4.5 and 256-bit. The max resolution display 7680x4320, making it a good 1080p and 1440p gaming, which is still a enjoyable and reliable gameplay. This GPU still holds up very well for AAA gaming and for its age. Even in 2023, this card still gets good reviews. It has an 8-pin connector, DVI output, HDMI output, DisplayPort and HDCP support. This mainly covers all your needs and should be enough if you are only gaming. This GPU is still going for a reasonable price and can be picked up cheaper if you find it second-hand. Moving on to the RAMs, we have the Corsair Vengeance Edition. Two 8GB sticks pushing out a total of 16GB RAM speed at 4000 MHz. The model will be DDR4. When it comes to gaming, normal recommendation is to play with 16GB of RAM to help support a smooth gameplay. According to the manufacturers, this item comes with a lifetime warranty. This model also increases bandwidth up to 32% and reduces power consumption up to 40%. I believe this is a very good product for your PC memory and also if you're wanting to build a reliable gaming PC. These two memory sticks also has coloring Vengeance stickers on and also lights up once connected to your motherboard, offering a rainbow lights reflection. If you have enough funds to go with a 32GB memory sticks, I do not see why not, but if you're on a budget, 16GB memory will still be suffice. We have the MSI edition with Model Pro B660ME, which obviously support your DDR4. The motherboard is also for 12 Gen CPU and can support 13 Gen CPU as well. Most of the capability of this board cover all your up-to-date technology. The MSI Pro Series B660ME is well known in the PC gaming community and has good reviews for budget building gaming. Intel has done good justice for this board. Let's open up the box and let's see what we have inside and also see what it is that we're dealing with. Inside you have your driver's disc and a thank you card and more. There seem to be a manual book, 2 SATA cables, SSD screw, support bracket and a MSI sticker.
You win!
Black and silver board color, which is very shiny and definitely a beauty to look at. It has your CPU bracket, 2 slots for your memory sticks and pin connector on board for the main power supply cable connection and a graphics card slot supporting one GPU. It also has 4 SATA connection ports, USB connecting ports, power supplier and audio connectors, HDMI, VGA, USB 3.2 and more.
Perfect!
The piece we have is an Intel i5-12400F LGA 1700 CPU. Note, when you purchase this CPU, you must have a graphics card to get display on your screen. The reason why you need a graphics card is because the CPU doesn't have integrated graphics, meaning that you cannot get any screen display without connecting a GPU to the board. Other than that, this is a very good performing CPU in terms of multitasking and gaming. You will get an Intel fan for your CPU that is pre-thermal pasted from the manufacturer, and that's very thoughtful and helps. The fan is made solid and it is real quality, not plastic. This is built for reliability and for longer lifespan, making sure that you do get your money's worth at the end of the day. The CPU is basic, not much to show, but it is designed with quality, offering one of the best performance on the market. For the gaming case, we have the Evetech NX400, very good looking in black, and it comes with a front LED display and no DVD or CD-ROM bracket because who still needs it? On top you have your switches and USB ports, including a removable dust magnet to help keep dust out of the box. On the right side of the box is your removable side panel to help with cable management, making it look neat. The backside has open slots for the motherboard, graphics card, and to allow some airflow to help manage temperature. Your left side panel will have a glass display with 4 corner screws to remove it when need be, and yes, this is tempered glass. This is the inside of the case, which only comes with one LED fan, and the case can support more fans if need be, but that's up to personal preferences. At the bottom you have your power supplier bracket for installation. This is the Cooler Master P700. I made a video on this before, a link down below to check it out for more details. For now, let's go ahead and assemble everything and see what it looks like.